for organizing these championships in a very professional manner, and I believe there's huge potential for karate to develop in Nigeria, particularly after championships of this caliber. I do think that the Nigerian Karate Federation will receive support from the Commonwealth Karate Federation with regards to the Commonwealth Karate organization going forward, given that Nigeria is an integral part of the Commonwealth.
Thank you so much.
God bless you. Thank you for having me.
Involves a cross or necklace. Thank you very much. Around the applause for me, please. Beautiful. Everyone, let's go. Let's turn them up. Mr. Suleiman Guy, we are looking forward for you to inventing wheelchair karate. Thank you very much and congratulations for your wonderful demonstration.
old until for the senior 28 and 30 years old. This is the range for the categories who participate in the championship. We do it every year only once because, as you know, Africa is 30 30,000 million kilometers, square kilometers, and it is difficult for us to organize many championships. So we mix the championship for cadet and the junior and the championship for senior. Why we hold it here in Nigeria? The last time we came here was in 2003 during the All Africa Games. So during these 22 years, we had no continental championship in Nigeria. So last year I was here for the regional championship, and I told Mr. Silas that a country so big, so important in Africa can't stay more than 22 years without championship in karate. In the same time, you have championships in the other sports. This is why I pushed them to organize a championship here, and we are happy that the championship is a very great success.
Joy knows no bounds. The fact that we are hosting Africa here in Abuja is a thing of joy to all sportsmen and to karatekas especially. Outside that, we have been able to make the medal tables. The best result we've ever had in our participation in the African Championship is 1 gold medal in the minus 60 kg. But yesterday, by the special grace of God, we were able to make 1 gold medal, 2 bronze and 2 silver. And that shows a tremendous improvement from the last record we had in Egypt. And hopefully we should be making the medals table, we should be making the podium today in some of the finals. As it is right now, we have 2 finals that we have qualified to compete with the Egypt. And again, we're expecting some gold medal in para karate. So I'm happy with the joy that these countries are going through. Because some of them, this is their first time coming to Nigeria, and they came with mixed feelings, but they will be living with a different picture of what Nigeria represents. And that is, Nigeria is hospitable, Nigeria is safe, and the people are accommodating. That is the expression of virtually everyone that have come here to participate in this championship, right from the airport reception to the hotel by the president of the African region. No championship I've ever had 30 countries in attendance in any of the African championships. But here we're having about 34 countries in attendance, and we have athletes from most of these countries that have come to represent their country. And that shows that we have the highest number of countries participating in the entire, since the inception of the African Championship. And not just that, the facility and infrastructure on ground, from what they have expressed, can host even the World Championship. And that shows that we are going places. Sports have gotten to a level that we need to celebrate in Nigeria. We want to thank every member of the sport industry that have come around to support. Some came with a packet of water to give to athletes. Some came with all sorts of gifts to distribute to other foreign athletes that are here. That shows the spirit of oneness for us as Nigerians.
Thank you. You have answered my second question.
World Karate Federation and first Vice President of Africa Federation, President of the Mediterranean Federation.
Nigeria is hosting this championship after 22 years. What's your assessment of the organization?
Thank you for this host. But first of all, I would like to thank the President Silas, really, for everything. I can say that 2025 it's the capital seat of the karate in Africa. President Silas organized this African Championship 5-star. The high level, he take care of everything from the airport to the velodrome, hotel, everything, and everything is perfect. And it's very enthusiastic, you know. And the organization here in the velodrome, we can say it's by World Championship standing. So we can do everything here in Abuja. I was been there in March to prepare everything with Excellency the Minister of the Authority. And when I came now for the games, for the African Championship, I was not surprised really, because I know what President Silas and the authority and all. I would like to thank everybody for this. It's not championship, but it's ceremonial for these young people who you make many people happy with this best and fantastic organization. Really, thank you. Thank you for Nigeria, and thank you for you and for the Abuja city. Thank you.